So let's practice that. John chapter 2, verse 1. And I'm going to read the next 11 verses. If you're there, just say amen. Amen. So that I know that you're with me. All right. And this is where Jesus does his first miracle. Now watch this. On the third day, there was a wedding in Cana of Galilee, and the mother of Jesus was there. How many know? I want to show you something that's important here. You notice that John, when he wrote this, he says on the third day. How many know that every day you spend with Jesus is an important day? And watch, it was so significant, he could remember the days that he was with him. And he said on the third day, look what he's saying, on the third day, there was a wedding in Cana of Galilee, and the mother of Jesus was there. And both Jesus and his disciples were invited to the wedding. When the wine ran out, the mother of Jesus said to him, "They have no wine." And Jesus said to her, "Woman, what does that have to do with us? My hour has not yet come." His mother said to the servants, "Whatever he says to you, do it." Let's say that together. Whatever he says to you, do it. Now there were 6 stone water pots set there.